Deep below Antarctica's frozen surface, something incredible is happening, right now. Antarctica isn't just a lifeless sheet of ice. Beneath those miles of frozen silence, scientists have discovered more than 100 volcanoes, some taller than the Eiffel Tower. These giants are buried under miles of ice, quietly rumbling, shaping the land in ways we're only just starting to understand. When one erupts, it can melt massive tunnels through the ice, sending rivers of water rushing below. This hidden heat could speed up the melting of the ice sheet, or even unleash more secrets trapped for millions of years. So next time you picture Antarctica, don't just think of snow and penguins. Imagine a fiery, mysterious world, silently burning beneath your feet. Science is just beginning to peel back the ice and reveal its ancient volcanic heart.